To connect your RT board, this is RT-A7, you just need a micro USB cable. You can see, you can just connect it to your PC in any USB port. And to check and verify that, you just need to connect it to your PC, and you can see power LED is on. And to check whether it is connected to your PC or not, you just have to have one software that is known as Teraterm. So this is a Teraterm software, so I just open it. You can see by opening it, you have to go to serial communication and the communication port where your USB is connected or your RT board is connected, and just press OK. You can see some symbols are coming, but that is not exactly the things which is required. So just go to setup and serial port and see the speed limit just changes to 115200 and just press enter. But you can see nothing is coming, so you just go to file and just disconnect it, and once again go for new connection and perform same thing, that is serial and USB port, just press OK. So you can see this has been connected. So for that you just need to add a cable driver. Okay, you just need to add a cable driver. By just connecting it to the USB port, it will not work. So just whatever the device you are having, you just need to install the USB drive. Since it is connected through USB, so you need to install the USB driver for connecting this. Now it has seen that button 0 is print PWM value, button 1 cyclone LED display, button 2 scrolling LED display, and button 3 return to the menu. So let's check it is working or not. So I will press button 1 here. So here some buttons are given, so you can just see here. This is button 0, this is 1, 2 and 3. So if I press button 1, the LEDs here, it will be glowing in a cyclone manner or in a cyclic manner. So I'll press button 1. So you can see here the LED is glowing in a cyclone manner. Similarly, for pressing button 2 and pressing button 3, so 3 it will go to the main menu. So since this way, if I press button 0, it will show the values on the screen, not on the board. So you can see button 0 is pressed. You can see here button 0 is pressed and its value is 0. So similarly, you can connect it and check your RT device whether it is connected to the hardware or not, whether it is connected to the PC or not. Thank you.